Okay, welcome back, plant people. I'm going to try something I've never done. As for growing plants or starting seeds, I've never done asparagus fern seeds. So, about a week ago, I took some off of a plant. It was full of these berries, red berries. They're turning dark now, but they've just been sitting here for about a week. See? I don't want to touch them, they're just nasty. See the red berry? So what I'm doing is I'm taking off this, I'm squeezing the seed out of the middle. It's like a grape. I don't want to get this stuff everywhere. So I squeeze it like that, like that. Then I take out the little black seed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let some of them dry out. Then I'm going to start some of them in this paper towel. See which one works better. Dried a few of these. What I'll do is, let me just show you real quick. So I'm going to get this paper towel damp. A little bit of water. This method works good for a lot of seeds. Vegetable seeds. Just do it like that. Fold it up. Okay. Then I'm going to put it in a plastic baggie. And then put it down in the cupboard somewhere dark and cool. And write the date on here. Write the date up here around the plastic. And see how long these take. And the other ones I'm going to do, I'm going to let them dry out for maybe a week. And then I'll do the same thing. Put them in paper towel and put them in a bag and date that and see how long they take. Alright, well, let me get back to doing this. And I'll get back with y'all soon. Alright, so on December 26th, I planted some asparagus fern seeds in the dirt and in the my paper towel and water. So the ones in the dirt sprouted, they're outside. So we're going to check the ones I had hidden in my cupboard. It is what now, almost, shoot, it's almost a month. Okay, so look, right here, I got these gloves on just because, in case there's any mold in here. I don't want to wash my hands again right now. See, there's some roots popping through. See, the little tubers, that's what they get as a normal plant. All of them rooted. See? Let me see. See how it's got the tubers on it? All of them. So I can carefully take it off. Like this. See? I'm going to put it straight in this little pot. I'll put 2 of them in each one. Just dump them in there. Like that. Well, you know what I mean. In there. Put this one. Be careful. You can take some paper with it. It's not going to hurt. Paper will go away. See? You don't want to break the roots. Paper will disappear. And put that one in here. Fill it. This is potting mix with food in it. So it drains well, and they're already going to start getting fit. Ugh. they're already going to be start. They're already going to be starting to. They're already going to start eating. There we go. I'm going to water it well. I have a hole in the bottom here. They're going to stay in here for maybe, it could be a month or two. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. If you got any value out of this video, let me know in the comments. And I'll keep more coming for you. All right. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so here are the baby asparagus fern plants that I started from seeds a little over a month ago. They're in a mixture of perlite with a potting mix that has food with it already, so they're already eating now. These are from 2 seeds. All right, there you go.